Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Stanton, and I just wanted to talk to you about our vowel intensives. So I'm sure you remember what those are. Our vowels are those 5 letters that are on the yellow cards when we do our sound card drill. And these guys are A. A says ah, ah. E says ah, ah. I says eh, eh. O says ah, ah, and U says So I'm going to say some words, and I want you to listen and listen for the vowel sound you hear in the words. You can make these cards at home. You can make them with Post-it notes or scrap pieces of paper, or I just use some index cards. You can even fold them and make the little tents like we do at school. So I'm going to say a word to you, and you're going to think about the vowel sound that you hear, and you can hold up your own card at home, or even just practice saying it if you are, if that's what you want to do too. Okay? So if I said the word sup, sup, what vowel sound do you hear in sup? Ooh, I hear I hear the U, so I would hold up this card. All right, so play along with me, and we'll do this together. Try this one. Zeg, zeg. What do you hear? I hear egg, so I would hold up the E. How about cad, cad, Up. What did you hear? I heard ad. How about hob, hob? What do you hear in that one? Ah. Did you hold up? O says ah. That's the one I held up. How about med, med? What vowel sound do you hear in that one? E says Yep, that's the one I heard. How about dut, dut? What do you hear in that one? U says How about fid, fid? What do you hear in that one? Oh, I hear this guy. You got it. How about pum, pum? Did you pick U? U says you got it. Pum. Lat, lat. Did you pick A? If you did, you got it correct. A says ah. How about cog, cog? What do you hear in that one? What vowel sound do you hear? Cog, cog. I hear this one. O says ah. Well, you did a great job today. You can keep practicing your vowel sounds. Keep on watching the videos and practicing. See you later.